Hello, curious explorers. Milky Way, imagine this: millions of years ago, a mysterious star drifted too close to our solar system, pulling planets, moons, and comets in every direction. This star may have altered our entire solar system and created the unique arrangement of planets and moons we see today. How would our solar system look if this event hadn't happened? And what does this reveal about our place in the cosmos? In today's video, we're diving into a captivating theory based on recent research, an idea that suggests an ancient cosmic event might still be affecting the very fabric of our solar system. We'll explore what would have happened if this star never came close, how it may have affected the orbits of mysterious objects, and why scientists believe this ancient encounter is still important today. Get ready to explore a universe of wonder and speculation. Scientists recently revealed something extraordinary. They believe a foreign star passed close to our solar system millions of years ago, at a distance closer than the Voyager spacecraft are today. This is a bold claim, but the clues that lead to it are fascinating. Imagine, for a moment, if a wandering star, something like our own Sun but not quite as massive, crossed paths with our solar system. This isn't science fiction, it's a hypothesis that's been pieced together from strange, unexplained objects on the outer edge of our solar system. They have unusual orbits, tilted angles, and movements that don't match the rest of the planets and moons. Have you ever wondered what mysteries lie beyond Neptune? In this distant, icy region, there are countless objects, small planets, icy rocks, and ancient relics that could hold the keys to understanding our past. Beyond Neptune lies a vast, cold region filled with what we call trans-Neptunian objects, TNOs. These are some of the oldest objects in the solar system, formed billions of years ago. But here's the thing: these objects don't orbit the Sun in the neat, flat plane of the planets. Instead, their orbits are highly tilted and elliptical, or oval-shaped. Why is that? Scientists have theorized that an intruding star could have disrupted the orbits of these TNOs. When the star passed by, its gravity would have pulled and twisted these objects, leaving them in their current unusual paths. Let's talk about distance for a moment. Our closest star, Proxima Centauri, is about 4.24 light-years away. That's 24 trillion miles, an unimaginably vast distance. But scientists think this ancient star came shockingly close to us. It's estimated to have approached within 110 astronomical units of the Sun. To give you a sense of scale, that's just 4 times the distance between Neptune and the Sun. The Voyager probes, which are humanity's farthest traveling spacecraft, are at about this distance now. So picture it, a foreign star getting closer to our Sun than the Voyager probes are today. If another star were to pass this close to us in the future, what do you think would happen? Share your thoughts in the comments. One of the most intriguing effects of this stellar visitor might be found among the moons of the gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The orbits of these moons are strange. Some moons orbit in the same direction as their planet's rotation, but others orbit in the opposite direction. Jupiter, for example, has 71 retrograde moons, moons that orbit backward. In Saturn's case, the contrast is even more striking. This pattern puzzled scientists for decades. Could a stellar flyby explain why some of these moons orbit backward or at strange angles? According to simulations, when this ancient star came close to the solar system, its gravitational forces could have pulled in and captured some of these objects, leaving them in retrograde orbits. Now, you might wonder, if a stellar encounter was so influential, could it have affected other aspects of the solar system? Many astronomers believe Jupiter, the giant of the planets, didn't always orbit where it does now. Some theories suggest that Jupiter once formed farther away from the Sun and then migrated inward, sweeping up smaller objects in its path. During this journey, Jupiter's gravity influenced other planets, moons, and debris, creating a more structured solar system. But some scientists now believe that this stellar visitor may have even nudged Jupiter and other gas giants along their paths, creating an even greater gravitational impact. The idea of another star entering our solar system might sound like something out of a disaster movie, but in the universe, it's not so rare. Stars are constantly moving through the galaxy. However, this particular event would have been unique. Our solar system, with its relatively low-mass star, may have been more vulnerable to the gravitational effects of another star passing by. Imagine the sky filled with stars, all in motion, drifting ever closer. A stellar flyby isn't exactly a collision, but its gravity could disturb countless objects in its wake. Some scientists even believe that events like this could trigger new planetary formations, or perhaps even destroy nascent systems that are too close. Researchers began to suspect this theory due to some unusual orbits found in our solar system. Take, for example, Sedna, a distant, icy dwarf planet with a bizarrely stretched orbit. Sedna doesn't follow the Sun in the same way other planets do. Instead, it travels on a highly elliptical path that carries it far beyond the traditional boundaries of the solar system. What could explain such an orbit? One possible answer is that Sedna was tugged by the gravity of a nearby star millions of years ago, forever changing its path. Sedna's strange orbit may be a fossil of that ancient encounter, a remnant of an event that took place long before humans existed. Could Sedna and other mysterious objects hold the secrets of the solar system's forgotten history? What do you think we'll find out as we explore farther? As we look to the future, scientists wonder, could another star come this close again? And if so, how prepared would we be to understand its effects? Studying this ancient stellar passage could help us predict what might happen if another star were to approach our solar system in the distant future. So, curious explorers, the story of a star's ancient journey through our solar system reminds us of how dynamic and interconnected the universe truly is. Our solar system as we know it may not have existed without this cosmic encounter. The next time you gaze at the stars, remember that our own sun, planets, and moons may have once been tugged by an ancient, mysterious visitor from beyond. If you enjoyed today's journey through time and space, don't forget to subscribe and join our community. Until next time, keep exploring the cosmos with curiosity and wonder.